So today I feel like I want to make a Christmas wall decor out of recycle. So these are the stuff that I need to do. I think I'm gonna use this paper bag. I'm gonna use this. I'll find out if it will work. And then I'm gonna make a big ribbon out of this paper. This is from Amazon. You know, when you order a item, when they sending it inside the bag, before they put in the bag, they have to wrap it with this first. And these are the ones that came with the package. So this is one of my material. And also, you see this one? This is the ribbon that's been sitting in the box for a while. It's already broken, but I thought I can use this as well. And also these Christmas leaves, I'll see which one I'm gonna use from here. And then these ornaments been long time that I'm keeping this. These are the ornament that I bought on our first Christmas celebration here in Canada. And this one is so cute. We bought this little bird, and also this one from Philippines. When we came here, we brought some of this. Well, actually my husband is the one who bought this. That was 1992. He bought this one, and also this one. So they are so cute. That's why I don't want to throw it. I hope it will come out nice. So let's start. So I'm gonna make ribbon out of this. And then I'll cut it. It doesn't have to be very even. Just like that. Very simple. Jaran! I'm gonna fold a little bit on top here. Both sides. Ribbon, and I'm gonna do this to make it a little bit kept or tidy instead of crumpling it. So this is a ribbon. Middle, I do this. And then I'll see. I put this one. And then next is this ribbon that is been so ugly after a while. This ribbon that's already even broken. I'm gonna use this as like this. Okay, I have some. This is recycle as well. So now it's a ribbon. And I will use this as well. Ta-da! Let me see. Huh? I want this to make a little bit stronger. It doesn't rip. I'm gonna put another tape here. Where's the bird? The bird. Where do you want to be? Here. So what do you think?